ACAM started this task force, and the task force, its real mission and purpose is to try to change the perception of our industry. The goal is to help the management company. With the task force, we kind of split it into, I always mess this up. I want to say it's like 4 different subcommittees, and it's being run by people in the industry. So it is a little difficult because these are all volunteers trying to like start this messaging campaign of like, what we do is important. We have a great job. Our industry is wonderful. Homeowners associations are great. Like, we're going to make everything, I don't know, we're trying to be cheerleaders for ourselves. But the four different subcommittees, one of them is legislative, one of them is recruitment, one of them is education, and then the other is just more of a communication type committee. So how do we get the message with these other subcommittees consistent so that they're each not putting their own messaging out, which is really important. You have to be aligned in everything that you do, right? And I'm so grateful. This was all born out of like a strategic planning session in, I want to say, January 2024. Much work.
That's a lot of different opinions. And with as many type A personalities that there are in this industry, that's going to be a tough thing to do.
It is very, it's a really fun problem to try to solve. It evolved because like on the Tuesday talks for ACAM, which are just like management companies, they don't cost anything. Like management company executives from all over the country, they can show up and they can air their grievances to their peers and try to get some answers to some of their own issues. That's really what the task force is for. Or I'm sorry, what the Tuesday talk is for.
What's the Tuesday talk?
Okay, so Tuesday talks are literally one Tuesday a month. It is an open forum Zoom meeting. Like it's like a peer group. Anybody can join. You just join on that last Tuesday of the month, and it's only executives, and we'll have like our executive director is like the host of it.
So even if you're not a part of ACAM,
ACAM isn't a membership organization. Anybody can join. Like that's what's beautiful about it. You don't have to like pay fees to be a part of ACAM. It really is just the mind share and the Tuesday talks. That's all that it is. It's really not complicated.
Where do you go to get the link?
It's just the ACAM website. So it's acam-ceo.org.
Great. So if you're an executive of your company and you want to join a bunch of other executives to talk about what's going on in the industry, join that call.
Yes, please. Join the Tuesday talk. It's great.